We have a new leak here hinting at what might happen with the S21 Ultra S Pen. So we had this rumor going back for a bit now about the S series, the S lineup inheriting note features, and most of it was around this S Pen. But then I started questioning, and others, where do you put it? Like, that's the whole thing with the Note. You have this nice little area to keep your S Pen in. Well, some imagined that there would be some sort of a case, some sort of a sleeve or some sort of a slot. And this is our first glimpse into what that might look like. If you scroll down, there's a tweet from Twitter user Roland Quant. Samsung S21 Ultra is getting an optional S Pen. Here's your first official look at the stylus and how Samsung will let you carry it along in the official clear view and silicone covers. Good. Oh, it didn't load for you? Hopefully you'll get it over here. Yeah, there you go. This case gives you a good idea. This picture. However, it doesn't show you the pen. So the pen is going to look a little different than the S Pen on the Note series. There you go. That's a better look. So it doesn't have the clicky bit on the end. It will still be touch activated on the end, but that clicky thing is very satisfying. Mm-hmm. Probably annoyingly to others that are around you.
To build a serious habit from that.
Serious habit. But also the clicky portion was part of the channel in which it was stored, and you would pop it out using that.
Very satisfying.
And the whole thing was satisfying. In this case, since it doesn't fit into a slot on the phone, maybe they wanted to make it more durable by eliminating that moving piece. That's my guess. But anyway, it fits into the sort of the side of the phone once you put it into this clear view case. And if you just scroll up back to you can see right to the left-hand side of the phone when you're facing it, there is this small little section which kind of makes the phone a bit fatter, and it provides a little channel to slide your pen into. So that's how you're going to carry it. Is that good enough to completely obsolete the Note series? I don't know. It's definitely not as convenient, but from a flexibility standpoint, you can use this case and the pen when you're in a real pen mood, and then not have to worry about carrying the pen around when you're less likely to use it. So it looks like that's going to be how they implement it. However, we don't have pictures of the silicone covers. Oh, I guess that's the silicone cover right there. Never mind. So the silicone cover is a bit weirder because now you have this asymmetric look at the phone because you got this fat bumper on the one side. I don't know if people are going to embrace that or not. We'll have to wait and see. But that's going to make your device quite a bit fatter, and these are already huge, especially when you're talking about S21 Ultra stuff. So I see it being a more popular selection with the flip-style wallet case types.
Yeah.
With the work types.
The productive.
Yeah. The office
with the suit and always on
the people
run.
who actually work.
Yeah, those people.
The people who actually work and
rarity nowadays.
Yeah, and they got deadlines and reports.
Yeah,
those are the people I'm talking about.
Yep,
they'll go for that.